Good morning, it's good to see you again. An, the, 3 tiny words, but they confuse almost every English learner in the world. Why? Because many languages do not have articles at all. If your first language is Russian, Japanese, Korean, or Arabic, this lesson is especially for you. By the end of this video, you will have a clear, simple system for choosing a, an, or they every time. Let's do this. The big picture. Here is the simple version. A and an. You are talking about something for the first time or something not specific. They. You are talking about something specific or something mentioned before. Keep this in your head. New. Use a or an. Known. Use they. Let me prove it with examples. Using a and an. Use a before consonant sounds. A book, a car, a university. Note, university starts with the letter U, but it sounds like U, a consonant sound. So we say a university. Use an before vowel sounds. An apple, an hour. Note, hour starts with H, but the H is silent. It sounds like ow, a vowel sound. So we say an hour. The key is the sound, not the letter. Listen carefully. Let's practice. I'll give you 4 seconds for each one. A or an, elephant, an elephant. A or an, hotel, a hotel. The H is pronounced. A or an, honest man, an honest man. The H is silent. A or an, university, a university. It sounds like you. Using the. Use the in 5 situations. Number 1, you mentioned it before. I saw a dog. The dog was black. Number 2, there is only one. The sun. The moon. The president. Number 3, both people know what you mean. Can you close the door? There is only one door in the room. Number 4, with superlatives. The best. The biggest. The most beautiful. Number 5, with specific places. The UK. The USA, the Amazon River. When to use no article. Sometimes, no article at all. This is called the zero article. Use no article with plural general nouns. Dogs are friendly, not the dogs. Uncountable nouns used generally. Water is important. I love music. Most countries. France, Japan, Brazil. But the UK, the USA, the Netherlands, languages. I speak Spanish, not I speak the Spanish. Meals. I had breakfast, not I had the breakfast. Sports. I play tennis, not I play the tennis. These zero article rules catch people out. Write them down. Common mistakes. Let's look at 4 common mistakes and how to fix them. Wrong. She is best student in the class. Right. She is the best student in the class. Wrong. I go to the school every day. Right. I go to school every day. We say school, not a specific building. Wrong. He plays the football. Right. He plays football. Wrong. I am a student at the University of London. Right. I am a student at the University of London. It is a proper name. Memory tricks. Here are 2 tricks I love. Trick number 1, the camera trick. Imagine a camera. When the camera sees something for the first time, a dog. Next time it sees the same dog, the dog. First time, a. Same thing again, the. Trick number 2, the newspaper trick. Headlines use no article. President meets king. The story then uses the. The president met the king yesterday. This shows you how articles signal new versus known information. Rapid fire practice. Complete each sentence. I'll give you 4 seconds for each one. Number 1. I saw an amazing film last night. Anne. Number 2. Osto film was about space. The, number 3. She has Dummy cat and the ass dog. A, number 4. And cat is called Luna. The, number 5. I love I's music. No article. Number 6. He is I's best teacher I know. The, number 7. I go to Barnes work by bus. No article. Number 8. Nile is my longest river in Africa. The. How many did you get right? 8 out of 8 is perfect. Articles in English take time. Do not stress if you make mistakes. Even advanced speakers get them wrong sometimes. The most important thing is to keep going. One rule at a time, one video at a time. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and tell me in the comments, what topic should I cover next? See you soon.